The Philippine National Police staged a special activity of performances and fireworks as it officially lit up its headquarters in Camp Crame, Quezon City for the Christmas season. The ceremonial lighting activity has become a tradition every year, with PNP personnel and their families gathering to watch the lighting of the giant Christmas tree and life-size Belen. It is back this year after it was put on hold the last two holiday seasons due to the pandemic. Thousands of LED lights were used to light up the front part of the main headquarters and other buildings in Camp Crame, while marching band played tunes for the crowd. Attendees of the ceremony wore festive costumes for the celebration, headed by Chief PNP Azuri.